Royal helicopter headed to peak Sheikh Hamdan bin Saeed suffers an in-flight emergency. Helicopter sent to pick up Sheikh Hamdan bin Saeed suffered an in-flight emergency and was forced to land. The news has been brought forward by a royal source close to the Sun, and during the interview with Express, they were quoted saying a safety-first approach was taken and it was flown back immediately for the technical fault to be fixed. There were no members of the royal family on the helicopter. Luckily, there was plenty of time to find alternative travel arrangements.